Today, we gather to celebrate a truly significant milestone in the lives of our students and the continued legacy of our esteemed institution. It is with great joy that we welcome you to Singapore School Kalapagaring Junior College graduation ceremony for the academic year 2024-2025.
We walked into this hall as children, but we're going to leave as adults. So let this ceremony be a celebration. If today is the last day, let it be the last day that we laugh together. Let it be the last day that we cry together. The last day that we make memories that will last forever and ever.
By the power and authority vested in me by the Board of Governors of SIS Group of Schools, I declare you graduates.
We're not who we are, but who we choose to become. And I think that is a beautiful beginning.
I'll make my dreams come true and make sure we live all rich. 항상 고맙고 사랑해.
Class of 2025, yes, you are ready. You have within you everything you need to shape the world, not just with brilliance, but with kindness, not just with talent, but with a soul. Congratulations. Go forth with courage, go forth with love, and go forth with the wild wisdom that will help you not just to succeed, but to change and to lead.
To SIS Kalapagaring, thank you for being a place where we could fail, restart, and still belong. And to everyone here, be proud of yourselves too. Not for being perfect, but for being persistent and doing it with heart.